Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily post your store in Shopify. So let's start. First, what you want to do is go to the settings. In past you would have an account here, but right now you need to click here on plan and permissions. Click on it and then you will have it here, store status. You can hire a Shopify expert, but the middle thing, pause your store. Take a break from selling at reducing plan price. Your settings will be saved until you're ready to sell again. So this is how you actually pause your store. And then you can also close your store if you would like. Quite easy and quite simple. So that's kind of it. If you have any question, just ask down below in the comments and I will try to help you. If you want to buy a domain, down below in the description, you will have a link for registering a domain and web hosting that you can use. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.